Let's take a quick look on how to see the users that are connected to the camera. In this case, I have an Axis P1365 Mark II, and I also have another camera here, the P3225 Mark II. Okay, and I can check the connected users in different ways. On the P1365, you just come here to settings, and then you need to look for system. And here, look for TCP/IP, and then connect to the client. You see here that I have my computer. The IP is here, 192.168.0.160. That's my computer using the port 80. Okay, so I have two connections here. One for my web browser, and the other one is for the Axis Device Manager. So I have two connections. Okay, so you can check if you have different computers connected to your camera. I will have here a different IP. That's not the case. I have only one connected computer here. Okay, so pretty easy to see that. And I also can see here on the other camera, here's a little bit different. The setup menu is here. So different interface for our old cameras or different version of firmware. And here I come to system option, and then support and system overview. Okay, it takes a while to load, and here you see connected clients. In this case, it says 1. I just click here, and here's the connection. Okay, the same way I'm connecting via web browser, and also there's Axis Device Manager connected to the camera, so I have only 2 connections. And that's good. If I have more computers here, I can see that a lot of people are connected to the camera. Sometimes the camera can't handle all the connections, because if it's too much, the processes in the camera is not enough to handle them, right? So you need to be careful with that. And there's also a third way to check that. You can check the server report. You can export server report from any camera. Let's say this one, you can export here in the menu. So you just need to look for a server report. Here we go. You can export from here. And you can also export server report from this one here, maintenance. Basically, it's the same. You just need to look for maintenance menu and download the server report. Let me do this with this camera, the P1365 Mark II. So you just need to wait a little bit because it takes a while. So the camera is running some scripts, getting information, and then it's going to download this information, and you can read them. And here we go. It takes a while, and then download, and then you just come here to open it up. Here we go. You can extract your folder, and I have a picture and also the server report. Let me just double click here, open the server report. And then here, there's a lot of information, okay? So I can just hit Ctrl F and look for network connection. Find next. Here we go one time. That's not the one I want. And a second time, I can see here the network connections, okay? And then basically you can take a look here and see what connections are established. You see here from my computer to port 80 is established, and here again, established connection, okay? The other ones are in time wait, coming from a different computer that I have here. You see, but it's not connected right now. It's just time wait, okay? And basically, that's the way you can check for connections to your computer. There's the easy way, just look at the menu there and see the information. And also there's this way you can download the server report and check from there.